I feel good. I knew that I would.
The sound was the funky music, and it is one of the most fun styles that you can play on the piano. The best part is easier than it sounds. So let me break it down for you. It's only 3 steps. The first step is to get to know the rhythm pattern. And by the way, make sure to download the PDF file for free to be easier to follow this lesson at home. The link is in the description down below. So back to the lesson. To play this pattern, let's use the D7 chord. So you play for the right hand, D, F sharp, A, and C. And you move this C here to the bottom, over here. So C, you move over here, and then you gotta read of the D, the root of the chord. Because for the left hand, you play the chord D major, so D, F sharp, A, and double the root, and get a read of the third, the F sharp. So all the notes together we have D sound, D, A, D, C, F sharp, A, D7. And for the pattern you play the bottom note twice, and then chord, top note, chord twice, and the fifth, and the top note and the chord again. One more time, bottom note twice, chord, top, chord twice, middle, top, chord. And to get a better sound, make sure to play all notes doing staccato. Instead of you play like this, you play this way, right and left. So playing the pattern, we have bottom twice, right, top, right, twice, middle, top, right. And by the way, if you look for piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, you can apply this idea, this rhythm pattern for every single chord. For example, G7. So G, B, D, F. Same idea, you move this F to the bottom, so it's over here, you move it over here, and then get rid of the root, the G. And then you play G major, the triad for the left hand, doubling the root, G, and get rid of the third. So now you have G, D, G, F, B, and D. And then you can apply exactly the same way the rhythm pattern. So you play bottom note twice, chord, top, chord, twice, middle, top, chord. Again. Now it is time to apply this pattern to a song. As an example, I'm using the classic, iconic song I Feel Good by James Brown. And for this song, you already have all the chords except for the one chord. So we have D7, we have G7, and the new one, A7. Same idea, so A major is over here, A7, and then move the G, which is the 7, to the bottom, over here, and get rid of the root, A. Left hand, you play A major, doubling the root, and get rid of the third. So we have A, E, A, G, C sharp, and E. And applying the pattern. bottom note twice, chord, top, chord, twice, middle, top, chord. Now, let's have a listen how we sound with the vocals.
I feel good. I knew that I would now. I feel good. And I knew that I would now. So good, I got you, yeah.
Now, to learn different rhythm patterns like the blues, just click on this video up here. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next tutorial.